Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to dynamically change the menu choices based on, let's say, the input from the web service. Okay, so far what we have created or analyzed, right, is first we have a web service, okay, which return us range of dates. so uh, to get its detail, right, the video has been created and its details is mentioned in the comment section. Okay, so what we are doing in nutshell over here is making a web service call. You can see the web service over here, and it is returning us a date list, which is containing list of dates. Okay, just to show you the example, so if I click over here, so this time it returns 2, next time it returns 4, so it's constantly changing. It's a random web service created. Again, its code, this is created on Spring Boot, and its code also present in the GitHub, and the link is given in the comment section. Okay, coming back to our code, next what we are doing is, since we know that the range is from 1 to 5, okay, it can produce at least 1 or maximum of 5. Okay, so what we did is created a menu with all the 5 entries. Okay, whether we are getting 5 or not, that is a different thing. So that's what we created. And since we have to play the prompt, right, again, I have created a dynamic play prompt. How to create a dynamic play prompt, again, a video has been created. So if you go over here, you will see uh, update prompt I have used, which is the overridden method. Okay, and over here we are just playing that select the date by pressing the keyword, and based on the date size, I'm playing press 1 for this date, press 2 for this date on these 3 dates. And these are not just the variables which are like a simple variable which is created, and we are assigning the value at that time. Okay. Again, more about this has been already been recorded, and the video is present in YouTube. Uh, Details is mentioned in the comment section. Okay, coming back. Okay, so far we are clear. We are getting either 2, 3, 4, 5 dates. We are collecting 1 to 5 dates as an input. Now what we are doing over here, we are just making a validate entry, right? So if it is a in the range, so let's say we get 3 dates and we ask user to play 1, 2, or 3. And if user say press something 1, 2, 3, all good. We are doing selecting the match. Sorry, we are storing the valid data into match, and we are also storing which user date has been selected. Okay. Now going back, what we are doing is, if it is a valid, so what we are doing is, see, let's skip like this. Yeah. Okay. So if it is a valid match, we are say going to the booking prompt. If it is a no match, right? If it is apart from uh, why it looks like this, it should be inside, right? Not sure why it is looking like this. So I created, what I did is, if it is not a match, right, then we are increasing the counter. Just a second, let me get the charger also. Okay, uh, so we are incrementing the count is initially declared as where it is, nm is declared as 0, uh, 0. Oh, where it is. And we are checking, or we are giving to retry. So we play no match prompt, and they can again go back to the that menu to you allow user to select. If it is not a or more than 2 retry, we are just playing the max retry prompt and disconnecting the valve. So let's test it out how it goes. So once I click run, should first pull the dates.
Select the date by pressing the keypad.
So we got
2.
date.
Press 1 4.
February 3rd,
End. Press 2 4.
July 30th,
Okay, so let's see if the actual selection
Your booking is
working or
confirm on
working or
date.
not.
Friday, February 3rd, 2023.
Okay, so I selected one and it has done that one. Okay, now let's try the scenario where we get the date range and it's outside of that.
Select the date by pressing the keypad. 4.
So we got
Press
4
1
dates.
4.
October 6th,
Press 2 4.
June 22nd,
Press 3 4.
January 23rd,
End. Press 4 4.
October 7th,
Okay, so you hear that only 4 prompts are allowed, or the 4 DTMF entries and related to prompt as planned. Now what will happen if I press 5, right?
Sorry, that's not a valid entry.
Okay,
Please
so
try
since
again.
it's
Select the date by pressing the keypad. 4.
so many things
Press
to
1
say.
4.
October 6th,
Press 2 4.
June 22nd,
Press 3 4.
So let's press
January
3
23rd,
so
End.
that it's a valid selection.
Press 4 4.
October 7th,
Your booking is confirm on date.
Monday, January 23rd, 2023.
Okay, so that is the date which we selected, right? Where it went? Yeah, 23rd January. And that is how we can handle the dynamic prompt, playout, dynamic menu selection, and also it can handle the retries also. So yeah, hopefully you find this video useful.